How to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet application and then make sure that you're inside your wallet. From the main homepage, tap on the Buy button located right beneath your main wallet at the top. From the list, select BNB. If you don't find BNB in the list, go to the search box and type in BNB and you'll be able to see the coin in the search result. Here in this page, you'll need to enter the amount of money you're willing to spend to buy BNB. You'll be able to see the amount of BNB you'll be receiving with this purchase. Here, inside the third-party provider option, it is showing me MoonPay. If you want to change your provider, simply tap on it and then select the providers from the list you'd want to go on with, but always make sure to look for the best rate from this list. Since it's MoonPay today for BNB, let me tap on MoonPay. Now, tap the next button at the bottom and it'll take you to the buy.moonpay.com website where you can easily enter your payment details. Tap on the continue button from the order summary and then make sure to log in by entering your email address. Enter your verification code sent via email and make sure to tap on both boxes and agree to the MoonPay's terms of use and privacy policy by tapping on this little box at the bottom. Finally, tap the continue button and once verified, you'll be able to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you do by hitting the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon. I'll be back with another tutorial video again. Thank you for watching.